So Roll Tiger Imports recently posted some Carcanos that were in very good to excellent condition. And so I went ahead and picked one of those up at a pretty good price, so decided I'd check it out. Overall, this one's in pretty good shape. See, the wood looks pretty good. Finish is a little worn on the magazine here, but overall, can't really complain. This one's dated 1917. I did pay the extra $50 for the pre-1918 date. I'll be showing them in one of my upcoming videos, but I have a bunch of Carcanos and most of them are post World War I. I wanted to make sure I got one that was either pre or during World War I. Looks pretty good on this side as well. Finish on the barrel looks really good. It's like a little scratch there, but otherwise pretty nice. So this one looks like it's from the Brescia factory. You can see some marks on the stock, whereas at some point when I went through Arsenal it was refinished. It's got a really nice cartouche here. To clean it up, looks like the Tierney Arsenal. And it's got a little bit of, looks like some mold here, not to clean up. But overall really nice. The stock does match the rifle, so that's pretty cool. I don't see any cracks or damage to anything. A lot of times you see some issues coming up here with the wood rotting around. Actually, I do see one crack here. Feels like a surface crack, but I'll know more when I open it up. It does look like there was some kind of stock repair done on it. A lot of times you see some wood rot around here in the metal. Little dings there. I'd take a look at the bore, it looks pretty good. So I'll go ahead and clean this up, and I'll probably show this off with my other Carcanos in an upcoming video as I take you through the different manufacturers and years that I have in the collection. You can see here under the barrel looks pretty good. Don't see any pitting. So here it is all cleaned up. Take a closer look. Wood turned out really nicely. Just a little bit of linseed oil. It seems the finish kind of came in a little more after I cleaned it up. See, the finish is really nice on the metal here. This top handguard's in really nice shape. And looking at the other side, the cartouche here is coming out a little better. What I like about this one is the bayonet's not loose at all. This one's actually pretty tight, which is handy. It's kind of annoying when you're holding it if this is loose. The action's pretty good too. Really smooth. So overall, a pretty good buy, I'd say. Definitely better than the Ethiopian Cache. I believe these came from the same source that a lot of other people are offering from the Italian armories. So I definitely recommend picking one up if you can, adding it to your collection. and I'll be doing a video of all of my Carcanos coming up. So if you subscribe, you'll get some alerts on that. If you have any questions that you'd like me to cover when I show the Carcanos, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.